This is absolutely crazy. Two things have just happened in the crypto market that you need to know about right now, and it is that the SEC has gone after two behemoths. They are right now, as we speak, about 3 minutes ago, going after Coinbase again, sending something along the lines of a Wells notice, which is basically a warning for a potential federal securities law violation, aka a lawsuit or enforcement action might be coming next. And the SEC at the same time, about an hour or two ago, also went after Justin Sun, who is the guy behind Tron, and that's mostly because of this offering and sale of unregistered crypto asset securities, aka they're pulling a Ripple on Tron, and it's going to be extremely interesting, which is why I'm saying, guys, watch this video all the way through and make sure you press that like button as I'm trying to get this news to you before anybody else is. It right now, I'll show you, it right now is freaking 2 a.m., all right? I was chilling in bed, preparing to go to sleep, when I popped up and saw the news. I was like, brrr. Somebody called me, it's like, hey, get up. And I turned on a red shirt. I put on a little red shirt because things are not doing well right now. We have gone from, don't you know, pump it up, to, even though I am probably, all right, the biggest crypto bull that you'll come across in your life. Let's all acknowledge here for a little second that the SEC is trying to destroy you, all right? Destroy every single crypto holder out there. And we're seeing that yet again today. These guys literally do not want to see you happy. That's one. They do not want to see you rich. That's two. And also, they are watching you. Anyway, recently our videos have been hitting crazy amounts of likes. So if you guys enjoyed this emergency little crypto news update, make sure you press that like button. And I also will tell you guys about some new cool trading things that I'll be doing. But if you're looking for a platform to trade on, make sure you check out Bybit. A link will be down below. And again, more about that somewhere at the end of this video. In regards to news, boom, check this out. SEC warns Coinbase of enforcement over its staking rewards product. The SEC's crackdown on crypto staking has hit Coinbase 1 month after they went after Kraken and actually went for a quick settlement. Now hear me out. I think what the SEC is doing is this. They're just trying to smack every crypto exchange down, literally, in the absolute stupidest and worst way possible. But hey, do you expect anything different from the SEC? And I honestly believe that they're just doing this for some quick and easy settlements. The way it's been looking is they're just going after these guys that have been trying to follow the rules. Again, take a look at Kraken. Have they been doing some really shady business by setting up somewhere very far abroad? No, they were properly doing everything as well as they could in the US. Coinbase, were they really shady? Maybe a little bit with some insider trading stuff, but every exchange has that. They've been trying their best to be properly registered. They're publicly traded in the freaking US. You can't go after them now saying you've been doing all this stuff wrong all along, because every single time that the SEC asked them something, they complied. The SEC wants them to take off XRP. They do that because they're too afraid to be in trouble. But you know what the irony in all this is? You guys have to understand. The irony in all this comes that when it's with real criminals, all right? Pause. Alleged criminals. Pause right there. Let's make that real clear. But guys like, pause, right? Alleged. FTX, all right? We're thinking the same thing, criminals, but let's just say alleged right here. The SEC, Gary Gensler, has been meeting with this with this guy so ridiculously many times. And every time they're like, hey buddy, hope you saw my letter. Hope you saw it. How's your pups doing? When it should be, hey, I noticed you've been doing some shady shenanigans. Why are you not properly registered, you know? Why are you trying to stay away from us right here, my friend? You know, we closed, tell me. Because since we're closed, I don't want you to scam all the people in the US. No, they don't do that. They only go after all this low-hanging fruit of all these companies that just can't, or at least would rather not, face all the trouble of actual litigation. These companies that are properly registered, like Ripple, like Kraken, like Coinbase, that would just go for some quick, easy settlement to just be done with it. But Ripple didn't budge, Kraken did, and Coinbase, obviously, guys, will not budge. They will fight tooth and nail, as far as I'm aware. But for as far as it's worth it, it might not actually come to that. Brian Armstrong said, today Coinbase received a Wells notice from the SEC focused on staking and asset listings, of which is the crazier part to me. The staking is so-so because we've seen it before. The asset listings is the scary part. Because that could basically mean maybe because they at some point listed XRP or at some point they listed a crypto, boom, they're gonna get in a lot of trouble, even though the regulations were not there yet. The SEC has been freaking, I can rant here for a little while, but the SEC has not been doing their job and they're portraying it up on these exchanges. A raw notice typically precedes an enforcement action. 2 years ago, the SEC reviewed our business in detail and approved Coinbase to go public. Understand this. It is similar with Ripple, where they looked at all these MoneyGram transactions. If you don't know, then sorry, but if you know, you know. They were like, you know what? The SEC had to approve everything. They were fine with all of it. And then later to try to backstab and backtrack saying, nah, I don't know. Our S1 clearly explained our asset listing process and includes 57 references to staking. Coinbase runs a rigorous asset review process and has rejected more than 90% of assets that have applied to be listed on the platform. While we understand that all this is part of the journey to reforming our financial system, we are right on the law, confident in the facts, and welcome the opportunity for Coinbase and by extension the broader crypto market to get before court. We are proud to stand up for our customers and the industry in these moments, which is why they also joined the Ripple lawsuit to stand by Ripple. Going forward, the legal process will provide an open and public forum before an unbiased body where we will be able to make clear for all to see that the SEC simply has not been fair. I agree. Reasonable, I agree, or even demonstrated seriousness of purpose when it comes to its engagement on digital assets. I agree. This type of stuff really hits me to the freaking bone, guys, because I honestly think if it was not for this corrupt, stupid SEC, the crypto market would be at such an entirely difficult realm already. Guys, our progress would be 10,000 times better if not for these career-hungry. Let's keep it calm here. We're excited to work with all governments and regulators around the world who are focused on putting in place clear rules to regulate the crypto industry. And even if you guys remember a little while ago, this might come after Coinbase put out that they're looking to change to a different country. Maybe the SEC was like, hey, you know what? Before they leave, before they get away from our jurisdiction, let's slap them in the face. Let's give them a little couple of love taps of hatred, of a little love tap of lawsuit. Anyway, honestly, it is quite similar as to what John Dean and all these other crypto lawyers have been saying in the sense of, if you thought the Ripple case was the end, no. It's just the start for crypto regulation. And that's why I keep saying how important the Ripple case is going to be. It's going to be pivotal for everything going forward. Intermediary pause here. On one of our last videos, we hit 1.4 thousand likes. I want to quickly say thank you guys so freaking much. As I said, I'm addicted to it like crack, so make sure you press the like button again, because now I kind of want to, I want to kind of get to 1.5 thousand to see if we can actually do that. So make sure you help out. And also, I'm going to be giving away an iPhone 14 Pro. In my earlier live stream, I'm also not so sure what's happening to my voice. I think I'm starting to lose it because I've been speaking so much today. In my earlier live stream, I told you guys I'm giving you guys $5,000 to trade with. I'll get to the Tron news in just a second, guys. Give me just a second to explain this. In this live stream right here, I gave you guys $5,000 to trade with, and I said if we make profit, I'll give that profit away to you guys. If we make a loss, well, I'll suck it up. And unfortunately, we listened to chat. We said, hey, do you guys think we should long or short, or should we hold? You guys said, let's long this market. Let's long that breakout. And unfortunately, we did not get any breakout, so we lost about $2,500. We lost half of the money, but it's not a problem because I'm thinking that might be a fun little challenge where I try a couple of these things out to see. So I'm gonna edit that into a smaller video, giving you guys the highlights of giving my audience $5,000 and seeing how good they are. If you're a good trader, however, join my Discord. Anybody, join my Discord right now. There's gonna be so many cool things that I'm gonna share in there soon. I just want you guys to be prepared though, because I'm gonna be giving away so ridiculously much money. You don't even understand. But also just fun stuff. So just make sure you check out Discord. Link is down below. But yeah, as I said, an iPhone 14 Pro giveaway is coming up. I'll give it away in about a week. I just have to think exactly about what you need to do to enter. And you don't need to like or anything like that to win. Honestly, you just need to be a nice guy and you'll be eligible. And if push comes to shove, instead of an iPhone, we give away $1,500. I don't care. Tron also in the red today, not doing so well. The price literally dropped like 13% in seconds right after the SEC shoved their poll up there. And we're calling XRP a pump and dump scheme, right? Yeah, if you don't understand that the SEC is literally the worst market manipulator out there, I'm not sure what's happening to you, right? The SEC has literally wrecked more people's lives than all of these crypto scammers in total. And this is funny that it came just on the same day that Justin Sun was Justin Sun celebrates this stuff every day, but Justin Sun was just today bragging about how good the USDT was doing over on Tron, and all of a sudden today, the SEC is charging the Tron network founder with the offering and sale of unregistered crypto asset securities, as well as fraudulent manipulating TRX's secondary market through extensive wash trading. Obviously, Sun token, Just token, and Huobi token, and even BitTorrent token were not doing so well based upon this news. And I heard that even Jake Paul, who is a very famous YouTuber for all you guys that do not know, I think he might have, let's say, 20 million subscribers or so, was sued for promoting Tron, which is interesting. I think this is going to be thrown out pretty easily. But hey, to end it off here, I got a question for you all. Who do you think has done more damage to the crypto space? The scam projects or the SEC? I'll let you guys decide and put your vote in the comments section down below. Let's see what you guys think, because I think the winner is quite clear, all right? I think Mr. Gensler, our main man, has done a lot more damage than good, but it's not as if the other people at the SEC were any better. These guys are just career politicians trying to encompass it all, trying to, for some reason, destroy crypto. I don't know why, but I can think of a couple of different reasons, and all I can say to them is, not a good job. No middle finger, but not a good job. I don't like what you're doing. You get an F- from the Dusty BC scale. Anyway, like I said, tune in tomorrow, because look at that. Hey, because tomorrow I'm going to get a video out to you guys where I cover our journey of letting the audience trade with $5,000. And if you guys want to participate in one of these, let me know. Just join Discord. I'll be covering more in it there. But yeah, that basically means I'll put $10,000 on the line, and you guys can say whether or not I should long or short, or basically if you think the price is going to go up or down. And if you guys are correct and we actually make money, I'm giving that money away to you guys. That way, we're going to have some trolls, but at least the majority of people are very serious because you can win money. So yeah. Yeah, that and more stuff is coming on the channel soon. Whoa, I meant to say guys. So make sure you're subscribed with the notification bell on. Very important step. And see you guys again in another one later today or tomorrow somewhere, whatever.